Prav posebna zgodba v slalomski karavani so Hilgertovi. Češka družina iz Prage, v kateri je prva zvezda mama Štepanka, dvakratna olimpijska in svetovna prvakinja, ki se pri 43 letih še vedno uspešno kosa s konkurenco.
In my age it's not possible to train as hard as maybe 10 years ago, so I must use my experience and to watch how are going younger paddlers, because they are more dynamic, more fast. I try to do it the same way, but it's difficult for me.
Nekoč je tekmovala skupaj s svojim možem Lubošem, nosilcem 2 posamičnih medalj svetovnih prvenstev v 80 letih, danes pa s sinom Lubošem mlajšim, ki nadaljuje družinsko tradicijo.
It starts, I think, with my grandfather, which starts kayaking. So he teaches his sons, which is my dad and my uncle. They were also K1 men. Then my father met my mother. She is doing canoe slalom from 12 years old, I think. So many people think that I had no choice but do this sport. But I did a lot of sports. I was climbing. I tried to do karate for a short time. I tried some running races. I also studied, but the sports is what's fun for me and I like this.
Oče Luboš danes trenira oba. Potem, ko je na Olimp popeljal svojo ženo, sedaj isto poskuša tudi s sinom.
I think it's the same. It's always difficult to be a coach of your relatives because you feel much more with them and you can't do nothing when they are doing their runs, so it's a little bit more nervous than when I was racing.
Yeah, of course.
And it was in my hands. Surely it's difficult to work with 2 different people, especially when it is men and women, and especially when they are young and old. So sometimes it's very difficult. Maybe we should have to work more sophisticated, but we do it now that Štěpánka is doing less training and not special training. Maybe we do have to do some special training.
The most important thing I need is maybe psychological coaching, not be nervous before the race, to concentrate in the right time for all gates, to have good mind how to do all the movings.
It's good that we are in team together because I know something and I advise her, and she's racing a long time, so she can give me some good advices, how to prepare before start, and also on some combinations on the course. She knows the water here better.
We are now more like sparring partners, helping each other with sometimes I have some problem with some gates, sometimes he, so we can discuss about it and to help like this.
Does he listen you?
Yeah, I think more than his father, because he is maybe 10 or 15 years away from active paddling, so my advice is advice from practice.
Sometimes annoys me that on the training she does something better than me and I can't stand it, so yeah, it's very challenging sometimes training against her because she's still good.
Cilj 24-letnega Luboša mlajšega je uvrstitev na olimpijske igre v Londonu, kar si potihem želi tudi mama, zmagovalka iger iz Atlante in Sydneyja.
I don't remember Atlanta well. I was 10 years old and I was with my grandparents and I just remember that I was too nervous that I didn't watch the TV. The Sydney, I was older and I watched TV and I was very nervous, but good ending.
Mama pa še vedno zbira medalje na največjih tekmovanjih. Letos je češki ekipi pomagala do zlata na evropskem, lani pa na svetovnem prvenstvu.
When my health will be okay and some good results from this season, so I will try maybe to qualify to London, but it's not sure because in our country are maybe 2-3 girls doing very, very well, so we will see, but I will try it next year, and then I am not sure, but then I will stop with active pedaling.
Še predtem pa se bo družina predstavila na zadnji tekmi svetovnega pokala v domači Pragi sredi avgusta in poskušala biro medalj povečati tudi na septembrskem svetovnem prvenstvu v Bratislavi.